Hello there. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel, Snips by Kelly. I'm Kelly, and I'm excited that here on Snips by Kelly tonight, I'll be sharing a little bit of the future's history. Yes, that might sound funny, but March of 2024, Stampin' Up! Said we are going to be committed to creating a 12 by 12 scrapbooking program and line. Be patient. It won't happen overnight. It won't be perfect overnight. It's going to continually get better and better and better. And now fast forward 7 months later, and we have 4 brand new scrapbooking workshop kits: Halloween Memories, Autumn to Remember, Snow Days, and Reindeer Memories. Tonight, I'm going to show you all of the completed pages as intended, and I'm going to show you the contents of each kit and what's left over after we create each kit. I love paying tribute to Stampin' Up's initial line. We're going to look back in 5 years, in 10 years, in 1 year, and we're going to be amazed. And I can always find gems and treasures in every single company workshop kit. Yes, it's true that maker's gonna make, creator's gonna create, and we all wanna create our own versions and make them our own. But it takes all kinds of kinds. There are scrapbookers out there that are going to love these kits as is. They're going to make them exactly as designed, and they're going to love every single thing about it. There are scrapbookers out there that are going to add little changes, maybe some extra bling, maybe a few little more die cuts or stamped bits, or maybe they're going to do a little foam taping and a little layering, and maybe they're going to change up the orientation of their photos. Then there are going to be other people who are going to take the contents of the kit and make something completely different. But I feel like Stampin' Up! Deserves the tribute. They have double timed it, triple timed it, quadruple timed it, and they have created these kits in no time flat, and they are dedicated to the growth and improvement and the just exciting changes to come in the 12 by 12 scrapbooking program. So let's take a look at some of the pre-printed specialty papers that come right in the kit that you can find nowhere else. There's also 6 double-sided sheets of pattern paper in the kit. I love the colors in this kit. This kit would make an incredible birthday kit, or an incredible kit that would be amazing, or workshop that would be amazing that could be non-Halloween. It also includes the coordinating cardstock, a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and all of the photo place card holders to create 3 2-page workshops. You can follow the instructions. Each kit features a technique. The technique featured in Halloween Memories is faux stitching, and we're going to take a look a little bit about how they taught and they incorporated that technique right into the workshop. There's some smaller stickers on the sticker sheet that are also going to act as our embellishments or our bling for this kit, but you know that you can grab all kinds of bling from Stampin' Up! And bling it up and zhuzh it up in any way you wish. So you can take a look at the layout number 1 here. It's so cute with that pre-printed web background. I love how they've created the frame for us. They've had us add the stitching on the outer edge, the faux stitching with a Stampin' Right marker, which is a great technique, inexpensive and so cute. They've incorporated stickers from the sticker sheet, strips of paper that they've layered, a little journaling area, and lots of photo opportunities. Here's the second layout that also uses that great graph pre-printed base. Love that. Great photo opportunities here. Room for more photo opportunities. A little bit of spooky clustering with the spider web and the title. I love that we have 12 by 12 stickers. Loving this banner. You can see a little bit of the faux stitching on that second layout in the journaling block there. You can see it again on the orange journaling block here. You can also see the faux stitching on the long, large banner that comes across. I love that. I think that faux stitching is a really great technique to teach as well as use, and I love the banners on the bottom and the play on the slanted cutting, just cutting cutting your banners either as dovetails or on a slant. Let's take a look at all the pieces that are left over after you put together the 6-page workshop. There's some great gems in the leftovers that would make great Halloween treat containers, great Halloween cards, great birthday cards, some great cardstock left over, and a tiny bit left on the sticker sheet. They did a great job making good use of all of the elements in the kit. You can add to that, you can change up your photos, you can make it your own, you can add bling, you can add more stamping, some stamping, you can add die cuts. There's so much more that you can do with this, and you can stay tuned right here on Snips by Kelly. We'll be doing a 10-page Simply Scrappin' workshop, and I'll be sharing a layout or two of that, and we'll be doing a 12-page Sparkle and Shine that adds some Cricut cuts and some other fun elements to that. Now let's take a look at the Autumn to Remember. I love this one. Of course, fall is one of my favorite seasons of the year. So again, you get the great directions or instruction guide that shows you how to cut every single piece of paper. And the technique in this one is adding details with Stampin' Write markers. And it has a die cut or punch out sheets, 2 of those, that includes this great large scribble circle element that we're going to be using on the pages. Lots of great leaves that have a nice watercolor wash on them, some coordinating cardstock, some extra specialty paper. So each of the kits contains specialty paper that can only be found in the workshop kits. This was a design element that Close to My Heart used as well. You would get some of the pattern paper that could be bought in the pattern paper and sticker sheets separately, but you would also get some fun extra patterns that were in extra paper that was only found in the workshop kit. You also get 6 sheets of double-sided DSP or pattern paper, a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and you get the photo place card holders and, wait for it, my personal favorite, some craft die cut punch out embellishments. This is something that Close to My Heart used to feature as well. So many more title opportunities, extra leaves, extra sentiments, so many extra pieces that you get that you can use as embellishments or even in focal elements. And I'm in love with that. I'm so beyond excited about the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. This is something that I missed in the first I've only been in Stampin' Up. This will be my 5th month, but I have definitely missed those sticker sheets, and getting sticker sheets back was a joyous occasion. And I mean, can I get an amen? I seriously think that there could hardly be anyone out there that wouldn't be tickled that we have coordinating sticker sheets. So you can see that they've layered some of the punch outs, layered some of the elements, and you can definitely zhuzh your wreath up by adding leaves and all kinds of things. Loving all of the die cut elements, the craft elements, and all of the little extra added elements in this set. Love it so much. And I love that you could move these elements around. You could change the orientation of your photos. You could make them vertical, horizontal. You could add flip flaps. You could add so many different things to these pages. This is one of my favorite out of the 4 sets. I'm not going to say it's my favorite because there's a couple underdogs that I didn't think I was going to love, and I ended up loving so much. I love how they created titles out of those extra punch out craft die cut pieces embellishment pieces that we received in the kit. I love the great title opportunities. They're both in the punch outs as well as on the sticker sheet. Let's take a look at what's left over in that kit after creating those 6 pages. So this one didn't have near as much of the pattern paper left over. They really used a lot of the pattern paper very well. There's a lot of layering in this one, and so quite a bit bit of that, but there's still quite a bit left that could be either you could eke out an additional page with it, or you could definitely make some really cute fall cards or fall gift cards. There's a few of the punch out pieces left and quite a few of the craft embellishments left when you get done putting this together. So you could definitely make more title opportunities with those and do a lot more with those. There's a few sticker sheets, two title opportunities. You have Bliss, and then you have the Mossy Meadow olive oil, old olive wash sticker there. You have some smaller sticker sentiments off to the right. I love it when there's extras because you can either add extras to the existing pages, or you can create more pages or more cards on your own with those little extras. I don't like to have so much extras that I don't use them up. In fact, that's how I started making my Simply Scrappin' and Sparkle and Shine workshops. But I do love having a little bit left over if you're just going to do the workshop kit as is. It gives you a little bit of play. You have some room to play. So next, let's take a look at Snow Days. Snow Days has this amazing globe paper, and you can actually get a little bit more of this line with some sheets that you can actually use dies with them and cut out parts and pieces of those dies. Now this workshop kit focuses on some bright colored pattern papers. So there's 6 sheets each, double-sided, and I love the house paper. The house paper is my absolute favorite pattern in this set. Then you get some of those specialty pattern papers that are only in the kit. They are exclusive to the kit, and these are 2 of them. So there's 4 exclusive pattern papers, 12 by 12 sticker sheet, coordinating cardstock, photo place card holders. Now, you know, with the launch of the new product, there's so many cute little things that you could add to this. There is also some extra photo mats here and some extra die cut pieces, and then of course those place card holders. But there's some really, really cute little snowflake embellishments, some loose snowflakes that is really, really cute. There's some pool party, really fun pool party ribbon that has some little dangles, little snowball dangles on them. There's so many cute little things. There's wonderful stamps and dies. So there's so much that you could add to this, but I have many paper crafters that are going to love this as is. They love the ease of being able to put these together. Now, I had some help putting these together with my friend Mary. Mary has been with me for about a month and a half now after looking for about a year and a half to 2 years for some help. And Mary came on board at Snips by Kelly, and she's been an absolute gift from God. She has helped me so much. And I left this morning. I went to work. I'm a speech pathologist. I left for work this morning at 6. I got home at 6 and saw all 4 of these workshop kits on the table put together by Mary. So if that gives you an idea that someone can take an 8-hour day and put all 4 of them together, and she put a kit together from the kit collection. I expected her to get one put together. She hasn't had experience with kits. She's never put a close to my heart workshop kit together. She's never put Stampin' Up, any kind of Stampin' Up kits together. So if that gives you an indication on how well they've designed these to make these very easy for beginners and as well as veteran paper crafters, you can put these together with ease. So I'm showing you now the leftovers from Snow Days. I love the simplicity of the Snow Days. I love the snow globes, the little snowmen inside the snow globes. And the featured technique on Snow Days was a little bit of ink blending with a blending brush in the background. So you can see that soft blending with Pool Party is so pretty and so soft. And I love that they teach you a technique with each of the workshop kits because it's a technique that you can take with you. Everything that you learn with each workshop kit that you do is a technique that you can take and work with in your own paper crafting when you get brave to put your own pages together and do your own designing and step out of the box a little bit with the materials and the supplies. Last but not least, we have Reindeer Memories, which has wonderful, wonderful soft blues as well as a wonderful Christmas reds and greens. So again, you get 6 pieces of pattern paper, 3 patterns, 2 sides each, so total of 6 patterns patterns. You get specialty paper in this as well. The specialty paper is white on the back, and the specialty papers are exclusive to this kit only. So here are two of those specialty papers. Yum Yum, who doesn't love a pinstripe, and a double Yum Yum, who doesn't love a Christmas dot. And again, that doesn't need to be Christmas. There's so much you could create with this that would be not have to be Christmas oriented with the red dot and the blue pinstripe. You have punch outs again, some great punch outs, some coordinating cardstock, and some photo place card holders, and some additional craft punch out titles. So we have joy, we have a little pocket here. So you can see that there's room for additions. Bling, here's the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Love it. Love that you're getting more pieces. As these evolve, we're getting more of a variety of sizes of stickers on the sticker sheet. As these kits are evolving, we're getting a few more sheets of punch outs. We're getting a few more elements that coordinate, and we're just going to be blown away in the future of the additions and the changes. And that is why we're making history. This is history, my friends. We will be looking back on this day and be saying, this was the brand new launch. This was the beginning. And where are we now? I love to look back at my beginning scrapbook pages. Here's that paper weave that I'm talking about. I love this element. So the featured technique of Reindeer Memories is paper weaving. So you can see that weaving in the upper corner. Let's take a look at the leftovers in the kit. But I love looking back on my scrapbooking layouts of where I began. Literally, when I began, I would put a photo down and slap a sticker on it and be done. I didn't know about clustering and visual triangles and layering and paper piecing and any of the techniques that the evolution of scrapbooking has brought to us. And I still love those original pages because those are my history. Though the love that I poured into those pages and the journaling on those pages, I don't want to change those. I want to look back and say that those scrapbooking pages are part of history, just as these first scrapbooking workshop kits are going to be part of Stampin' Up's history and my history as a Stampin' Up demonstrator. I love that we now have sticker sheets. I love that we now have full scrapbooking workshop kits. They have done the heavy lifting for us. They've coordinated everything for us. They've chosen the pattern papers. They've given us jumping off points with sketches and layouts and cutting guides, and I love that all we have to do is use that base. I actually got into Close to My Heart for the very reason of their workshop kits, because I had a tough time standing in a scrapbooking store trying to coordinate my embellishments. I would go to the paper aisle and pick out some paper, and then I would go to the bling aisle and pick out some bling, and then I would go to another aisle and look at the stamps or the ribbon or the twine. And all of this heavy lifting is done for us by Stampin' Up. They've put everything together, and they have years and years and years, decades worth of color experience, and they've coordinated all of it for us. I hope that you'll shoot me some comments here and you'll let me know what you think about Stampin' Up's brand new workshop kits. Do you have a favorite? What do you think about the scrapbooking line and the things to come? What do you think about the kits as is? Do you think that you would love to put these pages together just as they are? Do you think that you would love to put your own twist on those? Or would you love to see completely different versions using the same materials? And that you will get to see, my friends, because we are makers and creators. And so you can stay tuned right here on Snips by Kelly for my Simply Scrappin' and Sparkle and Shine versions of each one of these kits. Thank you so much for hanging with me and being part of history. I hope that we're all around to look back on this in years to come. Please shoot me a comment, hit like, subscribe, the notifications bell, and we'll see you soon again right here on Snips by Kelly. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.